Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use custom DNS like OpenDNS, Google DNS, etc. on Apple macOS devices like MacBook, Mac Mini, etc. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Using a custom DNS other than the one provided by our internet service provider can help a lot with the performance, speed and security. It's good to try them one by one and see which one suits our purpose. To do this on our Apple macOS device, we have to go to the system settings. We can select this icon or we can go to the Apple logo and select system settings. We will get a pop-up like this. Here we have to go to Wi-Fi and we have to select our Wi-Fi name here, and next to that we will have this details option. Select that. We will get another pop-up. Here we have to select DNS. So on this section, we will get the option to enter the custom DNS values. Here we can modify the Internet Protocol version 4 and version 6 addresses. That's all we have to do. Here, if we want to use Google DNS, we can update the IP version 4 and IP version 6 addresses. Both of them are two versions of Internet addresses. IP version 6 is modern and future-proof. IP version 4 is a common old one. Both of them work well. We can use both of them. On the screen we will share the values of Google DNS, OpenDNS, AdGuard, etc. You can check them out and enter when you are updating the custom DNS on your macOS device. We can remove the existing DNS values by using the minus symbol here. We can keep a note of this before removing, and then we can select the plus option to enter the new one. So these are the values for Google DNS. I'm just going to copy this. So that's all we have to do. We can select OK after that. We can check that again. So we have updated the default DNS server values to the Google DNS one. Just like this, we can do this for OpenDNS, AdGuard, etc. After that, we can use any DNS lookup tool to check whether we have properly configured the custom DNS. Here we can see Google here. So that means we have successfully changed the values. These are the steps to use custom DNS on Apple macOS devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.